Hey there, today we are going to find out what 1478 times 12 equals. It looks like a big problem, but don't worry, we will do it one small step at a time. First, let's write the numbers on top of each other, like a tower. The big number 1478 goes on top, and 12 goes below it. We will times by the 2 first, then times by the 1. Let's start with the 1's place. 8 times 2 is 16. We write the 6 down below, and we carry the 1 over to the next column. That little one will help us in the next step. Now we move left. 7 times 2 is 14, and we add the 1 we carried. That gives us 15. Write 5 down and carry the 1 again to the next spot. Keep going. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the carry 1 makes 9. Then 1 times 2 is just 2. So our first row is 2956. Great job so far. Now we times by the 1 in the tens place. Since it's in the tens spot, we first put a 0 at the end. Then 1 times each digit is just the same digit, 1, 4, 7, 8. So we get 14,780. Almost done. Now we add our 2 rows together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 8 is 13, write 3 carry 1. 9 plus 7 plus 1 is 17, write 7 carry 1. 2 plus 4 plus 1 is 7. And bring down the 1. We get 17,736. We did it. 1478 times 12 equals 17,736. You are a multiplication superstar. Remember, big problems are easy when you break them into small steps.